Okay, let's see one example, easy. X squared over 16 plus y squared over 9 equal 1. You recognize a squared is 16 because it's the bigger, b squared 9, therefore a is 4 and b is 3. Center of this ellipse is located at the origin, 0, 0. And the vertex is located on the major axis. The major axis lies on the x-axis because 16 is bigger than 9. So say 4 in both directions. 4 in positive direction and negative 4 in negative direction. This is the vertex. The minor axis lies then in the y-axis. The endpoint of the minor axis is in 3. Endpoint is 0, 0,3 and 0, -3 because b is 3. Okay, let's compute now the foci. The relationship is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. A is 16 and c squared is the foci. This is the thing I tried to look for. A is square root. A squared is 16 minus 9 is 7. And this is a square root 7. And square root 7 is approximately 2 point. Put in the calculator 65. Approximately. Okay, now the foci is located at the point, so always on the major axis. Like the 7, 0, 2.65, and negative like the 7, 0 or negative 2.65, 0. Okay? Let's see the graphic now. Now you can see the graph of the ellipse. So the final answer is the graph. Sketch the graph of the ellipse. You can see the center at 0, 0. You can see here the Simon major axis, 4 and negative 4. Endpoint of the minor axis is 0, 0,3, 0, -3. And the foci is negative radical 7, 0 and positive radical 7, 0. That's it. Super easy. Example 2. Okay, example 2 here, where you need to try to express in standard form. You divide the entire equation by 225. Because I need the right hand side must be 1. And 225 divided by 25 is 9. And 225 divided by 9 is 25. And the right hand side is 0. Nice. This is a standard form. Now you consider a squared is 25, it's the bigger number, between 25 and 9 the biggest 25, a is 5, and b squared is 3, is 9, sorry, but b is 3. In this case you can see the major axis lie on the y-axis, because the bigger number is associated with the y-value. Center again is the point 0, 0. Now the vertex is located on the y-axis, therefore is 0, 0,5 and 0, -5. Okay, now the endpoint of the minor axis endpoint is located on the x-axis, distance 3. Entonces 3, 0 and es minus 3, 0, ¿no? Let's compute the c value. The formula, the same formula, c squared is equal a squared minus b squared. A squared is 25 minus 9, 16. And the square root 16 is 4. The focal distance is and the foci is located 4, but on the y-axis because it's the major axis. Entonces 0, 0,4 and 0, -4. That's it. Okay, this is the graph of our ellipse. Again, the center is 0, 0. The major axis lie on the y-axis. The vertex located 0, 5, 0, -5. The endpoint of the minor axis on the x-axis 3, 0, -3, 0, and the foci is located 0, 4 and -0, 0, 4. Yeah, this is the final answer. The final answer is a sketch of the graph of the list.